How and why do teachers just say no to collecting data? This happens for a few different reasons, and I've seen it happen in most areas of data collection, but I most often receive pushback when it comes to collecting data related to behavior. When I've gotten pushback for other areas, it has been more so due to the difference between what they're teaching in the classroom versus what we're asking to collect data on. And that is understandable because if you have a teacher teaching 5th grade reading and you're asking them to collect data on goals that are at like a kindergarten or 1st grade level, it can be really difficult to incorporate into their daily routine and schedule. But giving pre-made charts and things like that make it a lot easier and a little bit more feasible. Now, the reason I see the most pushback when it comes to behavior is because it can be really labor intensive, and most of the time when teachers push back to collecting that data, it's because they say, I know this isn't the space for him, or I already know that they need something else. Why do I need to collect more data? And often data for behavior is really misunderstood. So teachers may have already collected data, but it wasn't really useful for the need that we had. And without any additional adult support in the room, it can be really hard to manage your classroom and manage behaviors in your classroom while also collecting data on them. But no matter what we're collecting data for, the most effective way that I've found to get teachers on board with collecting that data is providing the resources to help them do so. Which is why when I'm working with clients, I provide those pre-made templates and things like that so that teachers don't feel like they have to go out of their way to reinvent the wheel in order to get the data that we need.